Most people get this wrong. They assume RushPay is just a simple cash advance app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that RushPay is much more than that. It's a complete financial platform offering early wage access, installment payment plans, and detailed spending insights, all designed to give you better control over your money. Here's how RushPay works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent purchases without relying on high-interest credit cards or loans. Second, eligible purchases can be split into manageable installments with predictable fees, helping you budget more effectively. RushPay also provides a clear dashboard showing advances, upcoming payments, and spending trends. Alerts and reminders keep you on top of repayments, preventing late fees, and helping maintain healthy financial habits. The downside: overuse can be costly. Frequent advances, mispayments, or depending too heavily on RushPay can add up in fees, and using it as a crutch may hide deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on RushPay. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits could pay more than they save. In conclusion, RushPay in 2026 is a convenient and practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan your repayments, track fees, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and useful money tips to stay in control of your finances.